I'm James, Boatshed MIDI Canals, on board this Aquafibre Conqueror 1982. She's 12 meters 20 long, full cabin, twins or one double, second cabin with a single bed but could be reconverted to have a double bunk system there. Heads, manual heads with shower and wash basin. Saloon area. Lots of opening windows. Which includes the roof. Small galley area, 4 burners on the cooker with oven and grill. Coffee making area and second fridge here. Everywhere's 1.80 m headroom. 2 steps down to the main cabin. Double bed, 1.80 m wide. And finally the second heads, which incorporates a wet room. And another basin. I'm James. If you'd like any more information on this boat, please contact me at boatshedmidicanals.com.